Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So this is about topic 2, chemical equations and chemical quantities. In this topic 2 is majorly is about the calculations. Okay. So the first subtopic that will be covered is about formula mass and the mole concept for compounds. So in this first Panopto video, for chapter 2, we just focus the first subtopic. Okay. So the others will be in the other Panopto video. So the first subtopic is about formula mass and then the mole concept for compounds. What is the formula mass? Formula mass is the mass of individual molecule or formula unit. So we can know it as molecular mass or molecular weight. So usually we put the symbol as M to simplify molar mass. So example, the mass of one molecule of water. So one molecule of water, if we refer to this one, this is from the periodic table. So I already gave you the periodic table in the class. So you can refer what is the value for hydrogen. So in the periodic table is 1.008. This one it round off. AMU is the atomic mass unit plus 16 atomic mass unit oxygen. So this is based from the water formula. You get 18.02 AMU. So the other name for atomic mass unit, you can call it as a molar mass. It's the same concept of calculation for water. So it's still 2 times 1.01 AMU. So this is for formula mass. And the below one is about molar mass. So this is the molar mass. The unit is in gram per mole. If the question asks you formula mass, the unit will be AMU. But the calculation same thing is based from the formula. So mole, what is the first important formula in chemistry is mole. We put the symbol as N is equal to mass. We put the symbol as M over molar mass. Okay. So make sure this one the unit is in gram and molar mass is based from the periodic table. Okay, so the unit for molar mass will be gram per mole. So if example question asks you, how many moles are in 50 gram of PbO2? So PbO2, you check it have one lead and 2 oxygen. So you just calculate it using the formula mass. Okay, already given 50 gram PbO2, so you divide by molar mass, 239.2 gram. So this one, PbO2, molar mass, PbO2 is equal to, you refer here, let it have 207.2 plus, you have 2 oxygen, 16 times 2. So everything, the unit must be in gram per mole. So you get this one, 239.2 gram per mole. So the value you put here. So this is based from the calculation. Mole is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So you get the last answer in mole. Okay, so done with mole. So I refer here. This one I give you the concept. Okay, this is about important concept. In chemistry calculation. Okay, the first formula you learn is mole. So the symbol for mole is N. Okay. So if the question asks you from mole to become molecules, ions or compounds, this time you times with Avogadro constant. You refer to the constant in the periodic table, 6.022 times 10 power of 23 per mole. If from molecules to compounds, you have to divide with Avogadro's compound, 6.022 times 10 power of 23 per mole. Okay. Meanwhile, from mass, usually we put the symbol as M. From mass to the mole, you divide with molar mass. From mole to the mass, you times with molar mass. So this is a very important concept in chemistry calculations. Example question asks you, find the number of CO2 molecules in 10.8 gram dry ice. So you already have mass. Question asks you molecules. So refer back to the previous slide. If you already have mass, you want to find molecules, you need to find mole first. Okay, so you take the value 10.8 gram, you divide by mole and then to the molecule. So 10.8 gram, you divide by 44.01 gram. This is based from periodic table. You total up molar mass carbon plus 2 oxygen. So you get 44.01. Okay, and then you times with Avogadro's constant. So 10.8 gram divided by molar mass times Avogadro. So you get last answer is 1.48 times 10 power of 23 molecules. So next, if question asks you how many formula units are in 50 gram lacturamon oxide. So already given you the molar mass. Okay, so it's the same concept if you want to find molecules. If you already have mass, anything please convert become mole. From mole to the units, you times with Avogadro's constant. Same concept. 50 gram, you divide by molar mass, lacturamon oxide, times Avogadro. So you get 1.26 times 10 power of 23 units. Now, if the question asks you reversible concept, you already have molecules. Okay, what is the mass of 4.78 times 10 power of 24 molecules? Question asks you mass. So to find mass, from molecules to find mass, you have to okay, you have to refer back to this one. Okay. So from molecules to the mass, so molecules, you have to divide with Avogadro, you get mole. So from mole to the mass, you times with molar mass. So refer to the last example here. So what is the mass of 4.78 times 10 power of 24 molecules? So if you remember back the concept from molecules to the mass, okay, so you have to divide with Avogadro. Remember, this is from molecules. You want to find mole. So I divide with Avogadro and then times with molar mass because this is from mole to the mass. So you divide with Avogadro, you get the unit in mole. And then from mol U times molar mass, you get the unit in mass. So the last answer you get 365 gram NO2. Okay, so done for the first subtopic. You may refer to tutorial questions for the further example. Thank you.